Are you looking to grow and gain more TikTok followers this year? If so, a solid hashtag strategy is essential. And even though a lot of people say hashtags are pointless, knowing how to use hashtags correctly can make a massive difference. Now, TikTok has gone through some massive changes in the last 12 months, more so this year. The platform has transformed into more of an interest media-based platform and search-based platform, a lot like YouTube. For that reason, many people are disappointed with their low views on TikTok, especially under minus 300 views, for example, because they don't know how to use hashtags effectively and use the right SEO or combine them together for the ultimate end result. In this video, I'll be sharing the ultimate TikTok hashtag tutorial, along with crucial steps to help get more views, get more followers on the platform. If you watch this video to the very end, you'll know exactly how to use hashtags effectively. You'll know how to select the best hashtags to get more views, go viral, get more followers, grow your account, and get paid. And if you need a little more help, check out the resources I've attached in my description. So first of all, I want you to establish and define your hashtag goal. It's important to be clear of the purpose of using hashtags. When you have a well-defined hashtag strategy and know how to use hashtags correctly, you maximize your chance of getting noticed. Even if hashtags like sprinkles on top once you master all the other elements like content copy, your hook, your messaging, how to create reaction-based content. So for example, if you went onto TikTok right now and typed in viral in the search bar, you'll see all the videos in the top positions. Now, being here on this section increases your discoverability and visibility massively. And if you go viral using the right hashtag, which is in line with your niche or your topic, this also helps TikTok understand what your account's all about, and it will help you further down the run categorizing your videos and pushing your content out to the right people. By also being in this section, this increases your chances of getting more interactions, more engagement, more new followers, more shares, saves. But the main goals of using hashtags should be help to categorize your videos, help them to get discovered and seen, and also help your videos rank better on the hashtag sections. So let's think about hashtag competition, competitive hashtags or not so competitive hashtags. When you look at hashtags, you'll notice a number. This will say how popular the hashtag is. So highly competitive hashtags like FYP have billions of views. So this makes it harder to stand out if you use them. Also, I really don't recommend you using that hashtag FYP because everybody is using it for all sorts of niches and accounts, meaning if someone did view your content from that hashtag, high chance they may not even be interested in that content in the first place. You don't want to attract the wrong audience because it will ruin your account and engagement score in the long run. In contrast, hashtags with less views make it easier for your content to get discovered and rank higher as well because there's less competition for it. So the best strategy would be is use a mixture of hashtags that are broad, highly competitive, average, and low, because this balance will help you balance visibility with the potential of ranking as well. So with hashtag examples, you'd have hashtags with like the billion plus, which is extremely highly competitive. Then you have 500, very competitive. Around 50 million, which is competitive. 1 million, which is okay competition. Then there's less than 1 million, which doesn't have much competition. So anything under a million, even 100,000. If you use those sort of hashtags, there's a good chance of your content being discovered and rank higher. But like I said, but I combine them and use them strategically. I have trouble saying strategically for some reason, so excuse me. So avoid the mistake of just using highly competitive hashtags all the time, like FYP, viral, social media. So like I said, a good strategy would be to use highly competitive hashtags, and less competitive hashtags. So competitive hashtags can help signal to TikTok and collect more metadata, video data, what your account is about, what the content's about. And these would be like more broad hashtags, more about that in a second. And this would also help your video, your account, your content go to the right audience. Then you could use the less competitive hashtags to increase your chances of ranking higher in these hashtags or sections and help get your content discovered by people in your niche or specific niches. Think about what people are actually typing on TikTok to look for things. So for example, if I did a bit of content saying how to increase the quality of your videos I could use a hashtag saying how to increase the quality of your videos. And if that's pretty low, that hashtag, right, there's a good chance of my content being discovered because people are actually searching that term on the search bar, and it can also rank higher as well. So it's important to just have the right balance here. And I recommend using up to 8 hashtags total, using a combination of each format or style or type. So we have broad hashtags, which are like what the topic or theme is about. We have specific hashtags, what your post is about. And then I recommend the last hashtags for you to use in your content is emotion hashtag, the feeling, relatable, or it could be sadness, the feelings of your video, frustration, yeah. Do 3 and 3 and 2. Example is you could do 2 to 3 on a broad hashtag. So for example, I could do broad hashtag social media marketing, TikTok growth. Then the specific hashtags could be how to create better hooks, hook ideas, the best hooks to use on TikTok. Also, you could use branded hashtags, more on that in a second. But combining these elements, these hashtags, strategically with your SEO as well, you've got a really good chance of getting your content discovered and going viral. Now, I've already done a video on SEO on TikTok and how to get your video categorized and ranking. But I will say, make sure your first hashtag is related to what you're talking about on the post to help the video categorize it. So if I'm doing video editing tips or video editing tips, that's the subject or what I'm talking about on my video, the first hashtag I'm going to use is video editing tips. And then also a branded hashtag. So a branded hashtag can be your name, your business, your shop. But if you use a branded hashtag, this is a really powerful way to establish you as a leader in your industry or influencer. A branded hashtag helps the TikTok algorithm collect more data and know more about you, your account, your ideal audience, and who to push your content to. But this also helps you in the perception of other people when they click on your hashtag and they see you've got millions or billions of views on you or about you, oozes massive authority, making you trust you more quicker while checking out your content. This will also help you get your content discovered more if people type your name on Google, because it's not all about getting searched on TikTok and discovered. Posting stuff on TikTok in the right way can also help you get discovered on Google, increasing more brand awareness, views and sales. If you wanted to start a trend, you could even create your own hashtag or from like a super series. So hashtag with a theme or a subject. One hashtag example I created was TikTok secret features or TikTok secrets. And that's grown nicely as I'm uploading more and more TikTok secrets. And in time, people will follow suit and start using that hashtag as well. But my content will be at the top and rank at the top because I started it first. So remember to use hashtags as a strategy to help your content get discovered while getting more visibility and help get your video get categorized. If you found this video helpful, please do like this video so I know. Please do ask me any questions in the comments below and subscribe if you've not done so already so you can check out all my other helpful videos.